Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is white rocks and crushed stone landscape ideas. Using white rocks and crushed stone in your landscape design can create a clean and elegant aesthetic. Here are some landscape ideas that incorporate these materials. Contemporary pathway. Use white crushed stone to create modern and crispy pathways throughout your garden. The bright white color contrasts beautifully with greenery and other landscaping elements, creating a visually striking effects. Zen garden. Design a Zen inspired garden using white rocks and crushed stone to represent tranquility and purity. Create patterns, ranked lines, or circular formations to mimic traditional Zen gardens, adding a sense of mindfulness and beautiful place of your space. Rock gardens. Build a rock gardens using a combination of white rocks and other types of stones. Arrange them in different sizes and shape to create texture and visual interest. Integrate tolerate plants that complement with white color scheme. Water feature. Use white rocks to line to the edges of water features such as a pond or fountain. The rock will provide a clean and polished look, and the water will reflect their bright colors, enhancing overall immense. Minimalist plant borders. So, etch your flower beds with white rocks or crushed stone. This creates a clear separation between the plants and surrounding space, contributing to a minimalist